Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the export removal tool in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to import the image. For importing image, we have to go to the library section, and after that, we have to click on the import. And after that, we need to choose the image, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to select this image. So let's click on this. We have to choose the source. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So let's click on the import, and after clicking on the import, the image will be imported. So as you can see, the image is imported here. Now we have to choose that which image you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. So I'm going to click on this. And now as you can see, after selecting this, we have to go to the develop section. And after going to the develop section, as you can see here, you will be able to see this option, which is called export removal tool. And the shortcut key of this option is Q. And now we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now some other options are provided here, like if you want to increase the brush size, and the feather is also provided here. If you want to change the opacity, you can also do that. These all options are provided here. These are related to this tool, and you can make changes in these options. For example, I want to remove this one, so you can do that. So as you can see, I'm going to click on this. As you can see, it will be removed. So as you can see, now it's working like this. Right now we don't have the export here, so as you can see, this way it's working. Like if you click here, now it will show you that where from it took the part of the photo, and it will keep that there. So as you can see, for example, I'm dragging this here, so let's drag this. As you can see, now it's working like this. And for example, let me show you that how does it works. As you can see, now it's working like this. So in this way you can use the export removal tool, and in this way you can remove any kind of export in the picture. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.